All right, here we go, Harold. You and me, right? Tam OShanter, right here. So this is awesome because every year, usually it's right the week before my birthday, you have Marion and Clarissa making me something, and the day of my birthday, I eat the BB Gook soup with the mom, and the day after, Tam OShanter's. All right, let's do it. So we're waiting. There we go. So if you don't know Tam OShanter's, this is the place that Walt Disney used to go. This is like the Snow White house and prime rib. Okay, so here we are, right? So we got the bread right there. Do we eat the garlic butter? That's what the garlic butter.
No, that's not garlic.
Oh, that's Spaghetti Factory, huh? Okay, so we're looking at the Tam OShanter cut. And then get the cream corn, cream spinach, and stuff.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
All right, so first time I got a wedge salad. What did you get over here?
That looks better. Yours.
You want to try this one?
No.
I don't care. Salad's salad for me.
Bring this.
What? Oh yeah, we need more butter, huh? To eat the stuff. Okay, well, I guess I get. Oh, we'll ask her. Hold on. Okay, so let's see. I know, right? Maybe look at it. I don't think I ever got a wedge salad before. Or do you just eat it just like this? Mm-hmm. All right, let's see.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, the other day. Good?
Blue cheese on top?
It's too much work, dude. I prefer that one. That one's good?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. The rare, I feel amazing. Yorkshire pudding, that. Wow, yours is bigger. Look. It is, right?
Oh, is that?
Oh, but yours is like the dinner special, the bigger
No,
cut.
but I said I wanted to upgrade it.
Should we tell her? Yeah, because this is huge.
I know, but I hope that... awesome.
Okay. All right, so how is it over there?
Oh, wow.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's see.
Sorry, darling. Steve, you want to
Here.
try this shrimp? It's so good.
Yeah, let me get this.
Oh, the shrimp.
Oh, okay. Let's try.
Oh, Steve, it just slipped through the butter.
But you know what?
You gotta be
I'm gonna
kidding
eat
me.
it. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Oh, don't.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow!
Huh?
That was an awesome shrimp. Hey, I don't care. That was a $10 shrimp right there.
Steve,
go.
sorry,
Yeah, this X part right here,
Steve.
right? You know?
Yeah.
This is the part that the other one didn't come with. Let's see what this one is, right?
Oh, you have to try this salmon.
Oh my god! Here, I'm gonna cut this one for you. You eat that.
No. I'm good.
No,
I don't know. My stomach's gonna hurt. Here.
Oh, yeah, he got a stomachache yesterday.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Go.
That part was amazing right there.
Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Welcome, so mild in the middle, spicy's on the outside.
Oh, spices on the outside, Steve.
Eso le va a curar el estómago por cualquier cosa.
Oh, you're getting nothing,
let's go.
man.
Mmm.
How was it? Good?
Okay, so let's go with this cream spinach right here. Cream spinach. I love cream spinach.
Thank you. Oh, great.
Amazing. Cream corn now with cream spinach. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Yes? Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Steve. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
And many more. Ya
Thank you very
queremos
much.
pastel. Ya queremos pastel. Aunque sea un pedacito. Pero queremos pastel.
Gracias.
Gracias.
All right, go. Make a wish. If you wish. Hey.
Yay. All right, thanks. Oh man, I totally ate this stuff. I don't know if I can eat the. I'll just eat that last one and see what happens, right? Oh. All right, so we're in the Snow White room, right?
That was great, man.
Thanks a lot, man. It was awesome. So I love coming here. Here's the bar area, right? Thanks a lot. So yes, prime rib. So it'll look like this.
Yeah, but I didn't want to be outdoors.
I don't either. I just want to be indoors. And so
It looks like Disney here.
well, yeah, it look like a
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
right.
I love the moon.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
There's Gabby too. Ready? Thanks a lot. Happy birthday to me and loving friendship. All right. Thanks a lot. Happy birthday, Tam OShanter.